Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to wish you all a World Mental Health Day. Yes, you got the topic, what I am going to talk about today. Yes, mental health is a priority and we have to think about it. These days, when the pandemic has hit us very hard, physically, mentally, economically, everybody is stressed out in one or the other way. We can say nobody is unaffected. But what we do usually, we just ignore our mental health. We don't even talk about it. We take it in a negative sense. Why? The day itself speaks about its importance. 10th October is observed as World Mental Health Day. This day is observed to work on this mental health awareness, to spread the awareness. All these stakeholders who are working on the mental health issues are working on it and they're spreading awareness. That day itself speaks about its importance. Yes, it is important. What is mental health according to you? Mental health is not only absence of the disorders. Mental health ranges even from the worries we all experience every day. It begins from the worries till it can lead to a dangerous form it can take. It will take if we are not controlling it at the beginning. If we are not working it on at the beginning, we just ignore the issues related to mental health. But we should not. We have to work on it. As I told you, most of the people means nobody is unaffected, we can say, in one or the other way. We are struggling. We have to take control over it and we have to take the responsibility of our mental health. So I am there to help you, to tell you some of the tips you can adopt, you can practice in your life, then you can have a better mental health. Right? So let us begin with the tip number 1. What I want to tell you is just communicate your worries. Express yourself, open up to someone. I'm not talking about social media. Make sure I'm not talking about your virtual interaction. What we are doing usually, we forget the real world in terms of virtual interaction, our virtual friends. No, the real people around you, your loved ones. Talk to them, one-on-one conversation. It really helps. It will work miracles. During this time, I can't tell you to go and meet your friends, but at least it can be your siblings, your parents or anybody. Just make a phone call. Express yourself and talk to them and you can release your stress. This way is the best way to release your stress. The next thing I want to tell you is, as I told you to express, you can express in writing what I practice. You can write what is troubling you. Then you can write what you are grateful for. Start writing what you are feeling. Express your feelings in writing or you speak to your loved ones and it will help you out. Just try it. The next thing I want to tell you is practice what you are feeling about yourself. You know, what you feel about yourself is having a direct impact on your mental health. Start feeling good about yourself. Explore your talents. Everybody is blessed with some of the talents. So explore it and just work on it. When you feel good about yourself, everything around you feels good. And that is what mental health is. The way you look around the things, the way you face the challenges, that is the mental health. Good mental health for you. So start experiencing yourself. Just try to explore things inside you and be grateful for it. The third thing is just connect to it. Gratefulness. Practice gratefulness if you want to be great. You know, gratitude and negativity never come together. Never. If you are experiencing gratitude, if you are grateful for the things you are having, you will never experience negativity. Don't tell me that you have nothing to be grateful for. Okay. You don't tell me that you have got a variety of problems in your life. I can surely say why. If you are listening to me right now, when the whole world is struggling, you know, the way the people are losing their life. If still you are alive, sitting at your home, safe and listening to me right now, you should be grateful for. You should be grateful that you are still alive, happy and safe at your home. So gratefulness, there are a variety of things. I don't know about everybody's life, but everybody is having something to be grateful for the new day you are having today. You are having a home, or I don't know what you are knowing better than me. When you will prepare the list, it will not end. So gratefulness you should practice in your life. Then, as I said, mental health and physical health. Mental health is equally important as physical health, but let me add that mental health is even more important, or the physical health. They go hand in hand. As everybody knows the popular proverb, a sound mind resides in a sound body. So take care of your physical health too. That you know how to take care of your physical health. You just have to eat good food, healthy food, and practice healthy habits. But that is what you can exercise, you can dance your heart out. No, as nobody's watching you, you can dance and it will release happy hormones in your body. So exercise, meditate, yoga, as what you prefer. You practice these things to have a healthy body, and automatically you will get a healthy mind. All these things are interconnected. Express yourself, talk to the people, experience gratefulness. These are the things will help you to deal with your mental health issues. It is not only for you, but for the people around you. That is what I am going to talk on this particular day, 10th October, World Mental Health Day. What you are supposed to do, being the citizen of this world, work on it, not for you but for the others. Help others. Just lend your ears to others. Lend your helping hand to others. You know, it is having a direct impact on your life. When we help others, we usually feel happy. Helping others will just make us feel happy. So help others, especially who are facing all such issues, mental issues, stress, anxiety. If they are struggling with all these things, just help them out, speak to them. Don't be ashamed of speaking about mental health. It can take a serious form. So what we have to do, being the citizen, being a colleague or a friend, or in any way you can help out the people around you. So this is what you should do on this particular day. You should take a resolution and start working on your mental health as well as the mental health of the people around you, your loved ones and all. So start practicing this. Stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.